Welcome to Washington, D.C., where spring blooms in vibrant shades of pink and white. The National Cherry Blossom Festival is in full swing, running through April 13th this year. Whether you're a local or a visitor, this iconic event celebrates the beauty of nature and the enduring friendship between the US and Japan, symbolized by the 3,000 cherry trees gifted to the city over a century ago. The festival kicked off on March 20th, with peak bloom predicted from March 28th to March 31st. Even if you miss the peak, the festivities continue for weeks. Here's what you can't miss. First, grab your kite for the Blossom Kite Festival at the Washington Monument Grounds. Watch colorful kites soar against the backdrop of those iconic blossoms. If you're feeling active, lace up for the Credit Union Cherry Blossom 5K Run, a DC tradition. And don't miss the National Cherry Blossom Festival Parade on April 12th, featuring floats, performances, and giant balloons. Beyond the big events, explore pop-up bars, art exhibits, and cultural showcases citywide. Pro tip: parking is limited, so take metro or bike to avoid the crowds. As the sun sets, stroll around the Tidal Basin. Just remember to respect the trees and stay on paths. Whether you're snapping photos or simply soaking in the views, the cherry blossoms remind us to celebrate fleeting beauty. Plan your visit now through April 13th. This is DC at its most magical. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own blossom adventures in the comments.